Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Cap plus 10, Kid. Captain Kid. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our show. We have two players who are familiar with our game. They competed on the last program, and they have both won some great prizes. The young lady on my right is Carolyn Romberg, and she has won $2,419 in goodies. And listen to her today. Yes. Her opponent, same man she faced last time, Andrew Dominguez, with $5,698 in prizes.
And climbing.
Welcome back to you. And climbing, is that it? Is that what I heard? And
You
climbing?
heard correctly.
Well, let me look in front here. You have a strike, and Carolyn has no strikes against her. So if she wins this first game, it's goodbye, Andrew.
Yeah.
You know what you've got to do. Take a look over here. If you do it right, you could wind up with this, Andy.
Color Times Deluxe Home Entertainment Center with remote control, 19-inch color TV, VCR, and stereo. Furnished by Color Time Rent-to-Own Systems. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. On the board, that prize can be found at number 6. We call it an entertainment system. We also have a holiday in Malaysia.
Oh, my God.
Malaysia. All right, let's go to work and play this game. Who starts off today? Is it Andrew? Did Andrew, were you in the winner's circle on our last
That was
one?
me. That was me, babe.
You were in the winner's circle. So Andrew does start off. I was right. Yes. Occasionally, I am right. I do not always go blank. Andrew, select.
All right, let's go in the middle with number 13.
200 California lottery tickets.
Let's match that with number 20.
Number 20? No, his and her sportswear. Carolyn, back to you.
Okay, I'd like to see what's behind number 9.
Malaysia Beach Vacation.
God, give me a wild card under number 17.
Dining room. Andy.
Okay, 22, please.
Green take.
Let's match that with number 5.
Nope. 200 California lottery tickets. Carolyn.
Okay, I'd like to see what's behind number 13, please.
200 California lottery tickets.
Number 5 for the match.
Good match. Remember recently there were two people in Southern California won $18 million apiece in the lottery. Let's open these two panels for Carolyn. You scoff?
No, I just go into Malaysia.
Okay.
Let me see what's behind number 21.
Computer.
Oh, that would be nice. Let me have a match under number 1.
Mountain bikes for 2. Andrew.
Okay, number 2, please.
Malaysia Beach Vacation.
Was that under number 9?
9, he says. Yes, he remembered. Carolyn, you'll have to take it away from him with one of the 2 takes that are in play on the
Yes,
board.
I will.
Right now, though, we'll open these 2 doors for Andy.
Is it straight flush?
Is it straight flush? Nope.
Take a stab at it.
That's all right. That's what you're supposed to do.
Okay, I go, right?
Yes, you do.
Number 24.
Sewing machine.
Ooh. Let's match that under number 11.
No. Green take. Takes are going to be very important to this young lady. Carolyn?
Yeah. Now let me see what's behind number 15.
Sewing machine.
And number 24 for the match.
There is a match there. And the sewing machine joins the lottery tickets, and you get another look at this puzzle. Pick again.
Okay, I'd like to see what's behind number 8.
His and her sportswear.
And I'll take the match behind number 20.
Is it? Yes. His and her sportswear is there.
I can wear them to Malaysia. Give me the trip.
Ah, you study the puzzle, though, as we open these 2 doors, Carolyn, and then
Okay.
make another match. Pick again.
Okay, let me see what's behind number 3.
Dining room.
Oh, that was behind number 17, I think.
Dining room. Well done. But if you want to go to Malaysia, you're going to have to come up with one of those takes, the green or the red one. Right now, though, you're doing the proper thing. You are expanding the puzzle. Let's take a look. Pick again.
Okay. I'd like to see what's behind number 7.
There's a wild card. Carolyn?
Number 11 for the take.
That's the green take.
Thank you.
The other green take on the bottom line at number 22. I have a feeling you want to use this now.
Can I just have it now?
All right. Give her Malaysia right now.
I want to take Malaysia. I'm taking it right now.
She wants it now. Let's open these 3 panels for Carolyn Romberg.
Straight from the heart.
Oh, Andrew's upset. He thinks she has solved this puzzle. She has said straight from the heart. And Carolyn Romberg, congratulations. You did it. Let's go to the board. Breaking Andrew's heart, of course.
Oh, Andrew, I'm sorry. This is obviously a straight. The F plus the rum is from the H plus art. Although my husband may beg to differ, that is art. That's straight from the heart.
Taking a little shot at hubby, huh?
Yeah.
Andy, second strike. Sorry about that, but you've got that New York Dude Ranch vacation, and they do have woods up there. You'll have a good time, I'm sure. Close to $5,700 in prizes overall for you. Congratulations, Andrew. Take care. Carolyn. Oh, boy. You played that brilliantly. Solved it beautifully, and as a result, you get to enjoy these prizes.
200 California lottery tickets, a sewing machine, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a sewing machine or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and his and her sportswear. Catalina, scene-stealing fashions in active and daytime sportswear. Classic styles with a pizzazz and easy care fabrics. Perfect for any sport or leisure activity, furnished by Catalina. And a dining room. Bassett's Eastern Winds dining room set captures the mystery of the Orient. Its delicately engraved floral pattern in a rich birch finish, black trim, and polished brass hardware, furnished by Bassett. And a Malaysia Beach vacation. We'll fly you and a guest to Penang on Malaysia Airlines. Enjoy golden service from Los Angeles across the Pacific in one of the latest wide-body 747s furnished by Malaysia Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at Penang Mutiara Beach Resort. Off the west coast of Malaysia, tranquil island paradise of colorful scenic contrast. Enjoy exotic casual luxury furnished by Penang Mutiara Beach Resort. And this is a prize package totaling a big number, $6,985.
Congratulations to you, Carolyn. I'm going to tell you folks right now why they pay me the big bucks on this program. While Gene was describing that holiday in Malaysia, Carolyn said to me, "Where exactly is Penang?" And I said, "It's in Malaysia." That good? We're going to take a break, and I'm going to go to my encyclopedia. We'll see you after this. Carolyn, are you ready for this? Here are the 15 numbered squares for you and the clock with 40 seconds on it. Good luck. Win a car.
Thanks. 1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 4.
No.
3, 9.
No.
4. 7.
No.
9.
No.
7.
Right.
10. 6.
No.
3. 10.
Right.
11. 4.
Yes.
12. 13.
No.
14. 15.
No.
1. 15.
No.
12. 5. I got those extra seconds, too.
Yeah, your mind kind of went blank after you got into that.
Like, where the heck is that Wrangler?
Yeah, well, you missed a couple of matches early on,
Yeah.
and you went back to get one, and it wasn't there, and I'm sure that confused you a little bit. However, you do have $9,400 in prizes, and that's a great start. No strikes against you. You're going on. You're going to be here for 2 more games. We'll start game 2 after this. Our new player is Eric Batchelor.
How you doing, Alex?
Hi, welcome.
How you doing?
Are you?
Yes, I am.
You are a bachelor. I
Yes,
assume
I
you
am.
get ribbed about your name.
All the time.
Where are you
All
from?
the time. I'm locally from Gura right here, this area.
What do you do?
I'm an EMT, with emergency medical technician. We drive the ambulances, pick up people that get hurt.
Thank you.
I'm sick.
Thank you for explaining that. You ready to play?
Ready.
I hope you're musically inclined because we have a fabulous prize here.
Yamaha Clavinova keyboard gives your family real piano tone and touch, but lets you practice in private, and they never need tuning. Furnished by Yamaha. Alex.
Is it my imagination, Gene, or in that particular background music, there was every instrument featured but the clavinova? But that's because Marjorie wasn't playing it, you see, folks. Marjorie was faking it. But that's okay, Marjorie. Marjorie has many other talents. Let's show Eric and Carolyn where they will find that electronic keyboard at number 25. California Spa Resort Vacation is one of the prizes in this game. Eric, you're the newcomer. You're going to pick first. We also have the 5 bonus car seconds because this is the second game. And our cash pot is back to its base amount of $500. But we have just one wild card to assist you.
Okay.
So be very careful. You're going to have to come up with a lot of natural matches.
Well, let's start, try to find that wild card under number 12.
Cash pot, 500.
I can do with some cash. Definitely do some cash. How about number 19?
There's a wild card, and it's out of the way. The other cash pot is at number 11. So 3 doors are going to open for Eric Batchelor. Pick again.
Okay, I'll start with number 5.
Red take.
Definitely some security with that take. How about number 14?
Red take again. Carolyn, are you a little dazzled by this man's early performance here?
Well, he can't take my Malaysia trip, so I'm not worried about it.
No, you're not. And you picked up $900 in the
That's right.
cash pot in one of our previous games. He has the red take for insurance purposes right now, and we will open 2 more panels for him. Go again, Eric.
Okay, bottom corner, number 25.
Electronic keyboard.
Okay, we knew that was there. How about number 8?
Stakes for a year. No match. Carolyn? That kind of made you smile. Are you a meat eater or are you a
No,
vegetarian?
it just sounds funny.
Stakes for a year
Yeah,
sounds
my
funny?
caterer could use that. Let's see. I'll go for that spa under number 7.
Limited edition artwork.
Okay, how about number 22 for the match?
Oak wine rack. No match for you. Eric. we come
Okay,
back
let's
your
see
way.
something new underneath the 21. 21?
California Spa Resort
okay.
Vacation.
How about right above it, number 16?
No, there's the electronic keyboard. So, Carolyn, here's your chance to put a prize in your column.
Okay, I'll take number 25 then, if you put it that way. And I'll match it with 60.
Carolyn, I'm not trying to force you to take
Oh,
the
go
electronic
ahead.
keyboard. You know, that's a
I
very
got too
valuable
many
prize.
prizes, that's
Are
not-
you? Can you play it?
Yeah, I can.
You can? Mm-hmm. Oh. Are you a good pianist?
No.
No?
Everyone in my family is a musician but me.
Really? What do you like to play?
I like the piano the best, but it's...
What kind of music, though?
Really I like funk and hip-hop.
Funk and hip-hop?
Hip-hop.
Hip-hop. Key. Hip-hop. Hip-hop music. Let's
Yep.
open these 2 panels.
Great.
I'll do my hip-hop.
Okay.
You'd better select again.
I think I'll see what's behind number 1.
Diamond and gold pendant.
And, maybe behind 23?
Diamond and gold pendant.
Oh,
Sounds kind of good, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Let's see what happens as these 2 doors swing open. Ah, not much.
how much?
Select again.
Okay. Let's see what's behind number 3, please.
Stakes for a year.
And that matches behind number 8.
Yes, it does. Now, it made Carolyn chuckle a few minutes ago, as you noticed. Those of you who may not have been tuned in when we introduced Carolyn to the program the first time, she works for a caterer, or she's in the catering business. Do you guys get to serve a lot of steaks, or is it mostly cold cuts and things like that and a lot of fancy
No,
pastries?
It's a little fancier than that. We have had fillets and things like that.
Do you do the whole thing, or do you just prepare the food and deliver it? When I say the whole thing, I mean the table settings,
Oh
the
yeah, the
arrangements.
catering. Yeah, we do the whole thing.
Yeah?
The whole thing. I
The
mean, we
whole
have a
thing?
florist who does the flowers, and we have.
But it's a
everybody does their
package
thing.
deal that you
It
offer.
sure is.
All right, let's take a look over here, and we will show you these two pieces.
Complaint department.
She says it's complaint department. Wow. Where did that one come from, Carolyn?
I was looking at the plane. I didn't even take the cash pot. Give me that tape.
That's his take. Boy, are you getting feisty. Let's go to the board. You can work off some of your excess energy by explaining the puzzle and tell the folks how you managed to come up with that without any of that first sign visible.
Well, I thought that might be a chicken. I didn't know it's the comb plus the plane. I saw the plane, and that's what it got me. Comb, plane plus T is complaint. The D plus the part is the department. Complaint department.
All right. The problem is you solved the puzzle. Go to work, Carolyn. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you. You have to match 7 cars in 45 seconds. You can do it. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No again.
7, 9,
No.
10, 12.
No.
1, 12.
Right.
2, 5,
No.
6, 7,
No.
8, 9,
No.
7, 6,
No.
5, 11,
No.
14, 13,
No.
9, 8,
No.
7. Where's that charade? 10.
No. That one just kind of slipped away.
I got hooked on that one charade, and I was like, where the heck is it?
Maybe that's the one car that was up there all by itself. See, if you concentrate on just trying to match one, you can get into trouble. It didn't work for you that
It's okay, I
time.
got
However, it worked
50
for you well
seconds
in the
coming.
games. You have $17,524.
Yeah,
And you're going on.
Yes.
And we're going on. Gene, let's hear about another prize. Something good, I hope.
Some of today's participants may receive, whatever the occasion, you'll remember it with great pictures when you take along the new Olympus Infinity Junior. It's the full auto compact camera that's as smart as it looks. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
You folks didn't see it a few minutes ago, but the reason they were signaling me and pointing at Marjorie is because I got things out of sync. I was supposed to go to Marjorie before I did, and I apologize for that, Marjorie.
That's
and
all right.
I kind of deprived you of some moments, some important moments
No,
on
you
camera.
didn't, Alex. I
So
don't
I want you to
feel-
tell the folks at
I
home
don't
all about
ever
the
want you
Classic
to-
Concentration home game.
Oh, he does this to me. I hate this when he does this to me. Well,
This is
as
the
you
Classic Concentration home game.
Oh, well, we don't have time.
No, we'll see you all next time.
Terrible.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.